Hi, this is me again, Frank Marino from Mercedes-Benz of Warwick. Today we're going to show you how to change the time zone on the Mercedes-Benz. So now this is how we adjust the time zones on the vehicle. You click the home button right here in the path. You scroll down to the side all the way down to vehicle settings. When you're on the vehicle settings, you gotta click where it says manual adjustment. Manual adjustment have to be clicked in order for the vehicle to change to the time zone every year automatically. But if you want to set time at this, you can just press set time. The set time is going to change you to the time zone that you have, and then over here you can just change the minute. You can add minutes if you like, or increase minutes. Then you press OK. You select the time that you prefer. You press OK. And this is how you change the time zone on the Mercedes-Benz. Thank you very much for watching. This is Frank Marino from Mercedes-Benz of Warwick.